Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and proximity because most failures are power or range related. Turn Bluetooth off, count to 5, then turn it back on to reset the radio. You'll also toggle airplane mode briefly if needed because that forces a network reset. Once done, check that both devices are discoverable, not just connected to another device, and make sure the app or system isn't blocking pairing requests. This eliminates the simplest causes fast. You now dig into pairing state and software. First, forget the device in your Bluetooth settings, then rescan and initiate pairing. This clears stale profiles. If pairing still fails, restart the app or service using the connection and confirm Bluetooth permissions are granted. Apps often get blocked from the OS. Next, check for firmware or driver updates on both devices because mismatched versions commonly break compatibility. These steps reset software state and resolve many stubborn issues. Finish by isolating the faulty side. Pair the peripheral with a second phone or pair your phone with a different headset so you know which device to fix. If the problem persists on one device, reset its network settings, but back up Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs first because those are erased. You can clear app caches or, as a final measure, perform a factory reset. If that's needed, do it only after confirming backups because it resolves deep software corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.